Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Black Swan outfit and dress and press without VIP. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to make it black and then put on this necklace, make it all black and then combine it with this one, make it black as well. This is from the kids item. Okay, and then put on this crown from the kids item and you're going to color it black and white, and you're going to select toggle 2 and then you're going to put on this crown from the style showdown and you're going to make it like this. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the dressing room. Okay, and from this dressing room, I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to put on this this skirt, and then for the skirt I'm going to make it black. Just make it all black like this, and I'm going to remove the bow. Okay, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, I'm going to change it to glitter like this, and I'm going to put on this top, and for this top I'm going to remove the lace and also the undershirt and then the bow. Okay, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, like this. For the third selection, make it this color, and for the fourth selection you're going to make it black for the gem. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this coats item and put on this dress, and I'm going to select toggle 3 and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, for the third selection I'm going to make it white. For the fourth selection, make it black and then make it black. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to put on this item. For the first selection, I'm going to choose this color which matches with my skin tone color. For the next one, just make it black like this, and then I'm going to go back to this menu and put on this heels, and then I'm going to make it palette, and then we're going to make it black for all the selection. Guys, just make it black. Okay, done for the heels, and then I'm going to put on this item as well, and again we're going to make it black for all the selection. Okay, done, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this Black Swan outfit and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.